Have you ever wondered about the unique wildlife found only in the remote South Pacific islands of Samoa? A place where the call of the wild echoes over lush green landscapes, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of tropical flowers, and where the vibrant hues of rare and exotic fauna captivate the eyes. Nestled in the heart of Polynesia, Samoa is a paradise teeming with a rich variety of endemic species. This biodiversity hotspot is a treasure trove of life, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature in the face of geographical limitations. Samoa is a place where the ordinary is extraordinary, where the common is rare, and where the known is still to be discovered. Samoa's geographical location, halfway between Hawaii and New Zealand, has played a significant role in shaping its unique biodiversity. The isolation of these islands from larger landmasses has created a natural laboratory of evolution, where species have evolved in their own unique ways, unimpeded by the influences of the outside world. This isolation has been both a blessing and a curse, giving rise to a host of unique species, yet also making them vulnerable to changes in their tightly knit ecosystems. The wildlife of Samoa is a fascinating blend of the familiar and the exotic. From the giant Samoan flying fox to the tiny Samoan land snail, the variety of species found here is mind-boggling. Each creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of Samoa's ecosystems, and each has its own tale to tell. So, strap in for an adventure of discovery and wonder as we delve into the captivating world of Samoa's unique wildlife. We'll be exploring the lives of these incredible creatures, their adaptations, their struggles, and their triumphs. Prepare to be amazed, to be moved, and to gain a newfound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of life on our remarkable planet. Now let's dive into the world of Samoa's unique wildlife. Imagine a creature which combines elements of a fox and a bat. Intriguing, isn't it? Meet the Samoan Flying Fox. The Samoan Flying Fox, also known as Pteropus samoensis, is a fascinating creature that calls the lush forests of Samoa its home. Picture a mammal with the body size of a small fox, but with the wings of a bat. These wings, covered in a thin layer of fur, can span up to 3 feet across, giving them an impressive silhouette as they soar through the sky. Their fur is typically a rich chestnut brown, with a lighter underbelly and a signature fox-like face, complete with pointed ears and large round eyes. As for their diet, the Samoan flying fox is a frugivore, meaning it primarily feeds on fruit. They're particularly fond of figs, bananas, and breadfruit. But they're not just fruit connoisseurs. They also play a crucial role in the ecosystem by acting as pollinators and seed dispersers. As they feast, they transfer pollen from plant to plant, aiding in their reproduction, and the seeds they ingest are later deposited in new locations, fostering plant growth and diversity. However, the Samoan flying fox isn't just an interesting creature to observe, it's also a species on the brink. Classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, their population is dwindling due to habitat loss and hunting. These mammals are hunted for their meat, and deforestation is eroding their natural habitats. But all hope is not lost. Efforts are being made to conserve this unique species. Protected areas have been established to safeguard their habitats, and strict regulations have been put in place to control hunting. Education about the importance of these creatures in the ecosystem is also being propagated to ensure their survival. As we delve deeper into the enigma of Samoa's wildlife, we find that each creature, like the Samoan flying fox, plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Their survival is not just about preserving biodiversity, but also about the health of our planet. Our next animal is as mysterious as it is elusive. Picture a bird that sings a song as unique as its appearance. Allow me to introduce the Samoan tooth-billed pigeon. Nestled in the lush forests of Samoa, the Samoan tooth-billed pigeon, or as it's affectionately known, the little dodo, is an enigmatic creature that is as intriguing as it is elusive. With a body size comparable to an average pigeon, this bird stands out with its robust physique, a head that's somewhat large for its body, and a striking crown of feathers. But the most distinguishing feature, as you might guess from its name, is the tooth-like serrations along the edge of its beak, a characteristic that it shares with the extinct dodo. The Samoan tooth-billed pigeon is a frugivore, feeding primarily on large native fruits. It's not a picky eater though, and will occasionally supplement its diet with leaves and small insects. This bird's habitat is the dense tropical rainforests of Samoa, where it spends most of its time hopping from tree to tree, foraging for food. But here's where the story takes a turn. This unique avian species is critically endangered. The culprits? Habitat loss due to deforestation and predation by invasive species. The forests they call home are being cleared at an alarming rate, and invasive species like rats and cats pose a significant threat to their survival. But all is not lost. There are concerted efforts underway to protect and preserve this unique bird. Conservationists are working tirelessly, implementing strategies such as habitat restoration, controlling invasive species, and breeding programs to ensure the survival of the little dodo. The Samoan government is also playing its part, enforcing strict laws to protect these birds and their habitat. The Samoan tooth-billed pigeon is a wonderful reminder of the rich biodiversity of Samoa. Its unique characteristics, its melodious song, and its resilience in the face of adversity are all testaments to the beauty and tenacity of life in the wild. Now that we've explored the sky, it's time to venture into the Samoan waters. Scene script. Ever heard of a fish that can climb waterfalls? Meet the Samoan goby. This remarkable little creature is a true anomaly in the world of aquatics. The Samoan goby, also known as Sikiopterus lagocephalus, is a small, freshwater fish native to Samoa that possesses an extraordinary ability. It can scale the vertical faces of waterfalls, some reaching heights of over 300 feet. Yes, you heard that right. A fish that climbs waterfalls. But how does it do this? Well, the Samoan goby is equipped with an oral sucker. This specialized mouthpart allows the goby to adhere to the slick, wet rocks of waterfalls. It uses a unique combination of sucking and thrusting movements to make its way up the waterfall, a feat that would leave even the most seasoned rock climbers in awe. Now let's talk about its diet. The Samoan goby is predominantly herbivorous. It grazes on algae and biofilm that it scrapes off rocks, using its specialized teeth. This diet is plentiful and readily available in its waterfall habitat, which is often teeming with these types of food sources. The habitat of the Samoan goby is as unique as the fish itself. It can be found in the fast-flowing streams and rivers of Samoa, often choosing to inhabit areas with waterfalls. This choice of habitat is not just a random preference. The waterfalls provide the goby with a natural fortress against predators who are unable to navigate the vertical torrents of water. In the ecosystem, the Samoan goby plays a vital role. As a primary grazer, it helps control the growth of algae and biofilm. This not only maintains the health of the waterways, but also aids in the balance of the surrounding flora and fauna. It's a small fish with a big impact. With the goby, we've now journeyed through air, land, and water, but we have one more unique creature to explore. Finally, we take a slow and steady journey with the Samoan land snail. This gentle creature may not be as flashy as some of its Samoan counterparts, but it plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. The Samoan land snail, also known as the partula snail, is a small creature, typically no larger than a penny. It sports a thin, elongated shell that ranges from light brown to almost translucent, depending on the individual. As for its diet, this snail is a true vegetarian. It feeds primarily on decaying leaves, fruit, and even the occasional flower, making it an essential player in breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Its habitat is just as humble as its lifestyle. You can find these snails hiding under leaves and rocks in the lush tropical forests of Samoa. They prefer damp, shaded areas, far from the harsh sunlight. Their role in the ecosystem is significant, as they help in decomposition and nutrient recycling. And that's a wrap on our journey through Samoa's unique wildlife. In today's journey, we have discovered the wonders of Samoan wildlife. We've delved into the lives of some truly remarkable creatures, each one a unique thread in the rich tapestry of Samoa's ecosystem. We soared with the Samoan Flying Fox, a fascinating creature that is not only the largest bat species on the planet, but also a vital pollinator in its native habitat. Then, we got a glimpse of the elusive Samoan tooth-billed pigeon, a species that is as mysterious as it is rare, its song echoing through Samoa's rainforests. We dived into the vibrant world of the Samoan goby, a fish that has adapted to thrive in both fresh and saltwater environments. And finally, we ventured into the undergrowth with the Samoan land snail, a tiny but crucial part of the island's ecosystem. Remember, each creature plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.